Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can set up your um, birthday countdown on story on Instagram. So first thing, what you need to do is go to your story right here. After you are there, you will take a video or a picture which you want to put on a story. After that, on the right side, you will see here some um, options to click on it. So we have the second one are stickers. So we need that one. Click on that. And here in search, we can type in countdown. So we will need this one, stickers. You will see it here. Click on that. And now you can type in here birthday, set end date time. So choose an end date. So it will be tomorrow, maybe, like so, all day. Yes. So we have set everything in 5 hours and 30 minutes. Uh, like so, press done, and we have our countdown on our story. Um, we can also activate here that other people can turn on reminders and share this countdown to their story if they like. And that's it. This is how you can set up your birthday countdown on Instagram story. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe uh, to the video and channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.